Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another episode in our tested series. Today we got the Yo-Yo fitness band, and I'm taking it for a test. I turned on through the band the walk, and me and my puppy Bailey are going for a stroll, and then when I'm done I'll shut her down and we'll see how the stats turn out on the app. Alrighty friends, so this is Bailey. So my friends, the first thing I want to mention with the charger is actually in the strap, so you'll never lose the charging port. The other thing is it's got the auto wrist sensor, so you can see I lifted it up and it told me that I was doing a walk and that it was 10:15. Controlling the app is super simple, as you just touch and it responds super quickly to get to where you're at. I am using the band with one of my old Android phones. Adding the app was very simple. You just had to search Very Fit, and it was easy. It popped up, downloaded and installed in moments. Only took a minute to insert your personal info and you're good to go. A few things I liked about the app. The first thing is that there are several things you can use for notifications. They're super simple to turn on and they do show up with text on your device. They show up quite quick and I had absolutely no problems with them. I also really dig that you get to pick which 3 activities you want to be able to launch via the phone. So I've got mine set for walking, climbing, and running. I disabled the bicycle one because I don't need it, but you got like 10 or 12 to pick from, and you just get to set it up so that it's personalized to what you want. When you're done with an activity, you just hit the button and it stops. Gives you a cute little trophy to show that you finished your workout. I also like that you are able to customize it to your exact stride so that you can get more accurate results as you do your workouts. The color screen is really crisp. The initial time display was a blue and it had a fuzzy set of minutes that I didn't enjoy. But in the app I was able to switch displays to a green one that shows up just the way I'd expect it, and I've been rocking that ever since.
Alrighty friends, so one of my favorite workouts is to climb Mount Pisgah here in Holland, Michigan. It's a set of 239 stairs that you climb up. I like to scamper up them and then back down, and I do that anywhere from 5 to 10 times every chance I get. And what's cool about this tracker is you can see that my first lap I was warming up, my second lap I was going really well, and then I stayed about the same until I finally jogged back to my car to head home. It tells me that I went for 44 minutes, 233 kilocalories, and my heart rate max was 184 beats per minute, which is a pretty decent day. So it just gives you all the cool data, and even though the phone was here at home, once I got back and synced, all my data was included.
Alrighty friends, so if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you're interested in buying the watch, I will put a link in the description. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.